Hi everyone, in this video I'm just going to show you how to complete your tests electronically, if that's the option that you want to take when doing your practice tests. I will just say first of all, for anyone who's just watched the video about using Cam Scanner, if you're going to print the tests, I can just show you actually the message that I sent myself, the test that I scanned. I can just show you what that actually looks like in terms of what I receive. So if you were to send me the tests, then I get the message saying scanned with Cam Scanner, and then the test that you will have sent, so however many pages it is, so you can see here's page 1 and here's following it. There's a bit of a delay on it, but you can see it's downloading here. The second page is just appearing underneath it. So basically, however many pages you've sent me, it appears like this, and then I can download it and edit it. Yeah, there's just a bit of a delay on the second page there, but you get the idea. Oh, there it is. So however many pages, you can see that it all comes up on my screen as one PDF file. So when I download it and open it, I can then just edit each of these pages. So this is a much better option for me than you taking individual photos of your test, and then I would have to find a way of marking, 16, 17 individual photos or whatever. That option would be a bit of a nightmare for me. So this is why I just encourage people to use Cam Scanner if you're going to print your test out and write on it. Cam Scanner is definitely the option to use. But anyway, I digress. So this video really is about how to complete the tests electronically, if you want to take that option. So if you're going to complete the test electronically, you can. Option 1 is use PDF Escape, which is the website that I've been using in all of the classes. It's a really nice one to use. So if you go to pdfescape.com, pdfescape.com, yep, pdfescape.com. So when you go to pdfescape.com, so you can just go straight to the website with PDF Escape, and then it does talk about all kinds of options on there, but you just want to, on the left hand side, you just want to click on free online, and then second option in upload PDF to PDF Escape, and then browse. So then you want to browse for wherever you've got the practice tests saved that you want to edit. So I'm going to click on browse, and then I'm going to go to the desktop and maths week 15. So that's where I've got the tests. So let's just say, for example, that I want to edit paper A, which is the non-calculator paper. So I would double click on that here, or single click and open. Does the same thing. It then uploads that paper in a matter of seconds. Depending on how well your internet is behaving. Theoretically, it's a matter of seconds. It usually is. Right, here we go. And then, so imagine this was my first question and I wanted to write in the answer box, so you can click on text, he says. It's still loading a little bit, I think, here. Yeah. Oh. Don't know what it's doing there. Okay. Maybe I just clicked on something, being a bit impatient there. Right, so when your page comes up and you want to edit it, you can click on text, and then you click on the page, and then you can start writing. You can obviously change your font sizes up here. So if you wanted bigger text, then you can make it bigger text. So wherever you click, you can type. You can use bold, you can use colour if you want to, but I wouldn't really recommend using colour. Use black really, unless you're answering some sort of charts question where you might want different coloured bars, for example. But yeah, text, you can click freehand if you want to do freehand writing at all. And then what else can you do? So if you did want to draw bars or circles or anything, you've got your shapes here. So you can draw lines, you can draw rectangles, which the default is the shapes are filled in red. But if you click on fill up here and then choose this clear line here, then it will just make it a clear background. Circles, you can draw circles. And so you can edit that however you want to. So that's how you edit the file on PDF Escape. So you can obviously scroll down and then you can edit all of the pages in that way to answer the questions. And then when you get to the point where you want to save it, to email it to me, don't click on the picture of the floppy disk. That's what lots of people do, and that's the wrong option. What you want to do is click on this green one here that says Save and Download PDF. So when you click on that, then it asks you what you want to do. So it says, so I'm using Firefox, what should your browser do with this file? So what you want to do is open it up in a browser, download it and save it. So what I normally do is open it up in a different browser. This works really well for me personally. I open it up in Avast. I say OK, because the Avast browser is really good for downloading and saving things. So when it opens up in the browser, when you click on that, then what you should do then is click on the arrow to download, and then tell it where you want to download it to. So imagine I download it to the same place, and then just click save. If you want to give it a different name, so if you wanted to call it completed, for example, call it whatever you want within reason, obviously. Click on save, and then that will save it to that location. And so then when you wanted to then email that test to me, so you go into your email and you just browse for where you've just saved it to, and then just include the file as an attachment. So that's using PDF Escape. Another option that I mentioned about before Christmas was using another good site called Small PDF. Now, the weird thing about Small PDF is that if you went to the site directly, smallpdf.com, it's harder to use it to do what you need to do. Because when you go to it directly, when it eventually appears, you can see that it's trying to get you to sign up for a free 7-day trial, and then it gives you loads of options, and it's all really confusing, bit of a nightmare. So what I recommend that you do, there's an easier way of using Small PDF to use it for what you need it for. So what you want to do is just Google edit PDF. So when you Google edit PDF, what you will see is obviously a load of search results. And when you scroll down in your search results, about halfway down, you'll see there's a link to smallpdf.com. But when you click on this link, the difference is that it takes you directly to the little button that you need to open up your practice test. So you click on this choose file button, and then you go to where the test is, wherever you've got it on your device. So say it was that same one again, that paper A. and then it just opens it up. So all very much more straightforward. Again, a bit of a delay on it depending on your internet. Okay, so then your paper comes up, and so obviously it looks a little bit different to PDF Escape, but you've got your text tool here. So as it says, you can click anywhere on the document to add text. Okay, like so. And then you've got other options here. So you've got your, what have you got here? You've got your pencil. Okay, so you've got a pencil there, which you can see the default is red, but obviously you can change the color to black. And then what have we got here? So we've got freehand highlighter, text highlighter. So really, you just want the text and the pen. And then you can see, again, we've got shapes here, just like we had on PDF Escape. So you can draw a rectangle. Again, your default rectangle has got the red border, but you can change it to black, and so on. So you imagine editing all of the pages like that. And then when you're happy and you're finished, you click on download up here. And then again, same sort of process as with PDF Escape. So you open it up in the browser that you want to open it up in. And then when it comes up, you can see that it's got everything that you wrote on it. And then again, as before, click on the download arrow, however it looks on your device, save it as whatever you want to save it as. And then again, when you go to email me the test, you just browse for where you saved it to and email me this attachment. Okay, so that's the two different ways of completing the work electronically. Both PDF Escape and Small PDF are really good sites for completing the test electronically. So if you did want to do that rather than printing the test out, writing on the pages, scanning them and sending them to me using Cam Scanner, then this is how you can do it the electronic way. Either way, bottom line is when you've completed your test, please email me what you've done so that I can mark it, fully annotate it for you, and then we can gradually build towards your scores increasing as high as we can go. All right, that's that then. So thank you, everybody. So whichever one of the two ways you do, I really don't mind. Both are pretty easy for me to mark. So all the best.